You purchased
Maya. And then...
from a friend?
Yep.
Not yep. Yep is not an answer. Yes is
So
an
correct.
answer. In 2012.
Yep. Yep. Sorry.
Yes is the
Yes.
answer. And how much did you pay for her?
1,000.
What's the other horse that you have?
I have Hope, which was a rescue, and Mel.
Just a second. Hope was a rescue from where?
My farrier, so the one who trims her feet, he brought her to my attention. She needed help, and she was very overweight, and she had bad feet, so I took her in my care.
When?
That was in, I want to say 2013.
What else do you have?
I have Melvin, and I bought him in 2014, or I didn't buy him. I went down, and I was originally supposed to pay $100, but she decided to give him to me for free because she knew he'd be in good hands.
Where did you get this horse from that you sold to Miss Erickson?
I actually, when I was younger, I would ride her because I knew the owner, and she brought to my attention in 2014 that her and her husband got a divorce, and she needed someone to take the horse because she wasn't getting the proper care, so I went and rescued her as well.
So you paid nothing for her?
Yep. Yes.
Why did you decide to sell her?
I actually rodeo, and I was deciding to continue my rodeo career. I wanted another rodeo horse, and Eva was sitting on the back burner for me, so I decided...
She what?
Was sitting on the back burner, so she wasn't getting top attention, which I felt she needed, so that's why I decided to sell her.
Why didn't you just find her a good home?
Because in the rodeo world, you have to lose some to win some, basically.
Just a second. You got the horse for free.
Mm-hmm.
What I want to know is, why didn't you, if the horse was on the back burner for you, why didn't you try to find the horse a good home like the other people did when you rescued their horses?
I don't know, I decided to sell her because I did put a lot into feed and vet bills and farrier, which farrier gets expensive with 4 horses.
Mm-hmm. So you wanted to be paid back for feeding her?
Yep. Yes.
Did you ride her?
Did I ride her? Mm-hmm. Yes, I did.
Okay. On what date did you purchase the horse?
On July 31st, 2016.
On what date did you trespass on the defendant's property and return the horse?
Your Honor, they were aware that I was coming.
You trespassed on their property. I don't care whether they were on Mars. On what date did you...
Brought the horse back on August 20th, 2016, after a short ride.
Just a second. And you say you picked up the horse on what date?
On July 31st.
So you had the horse for almost 3 weeks.
Almost. But I wasn't able to ride that horse.
I don't care.
Mm-hmm. They understood.
I don't care. On what date did you first advise the defendants by email or text message that you can prove to me that you were having difficulty with the horse?
I did it immediately after having...
No. That immediately is not my answer.
Right.
I said, on what date?
I had the veterinarian come out on the 19th of August.
So what you're telling me is that the first communication that you had with them was almost 3 weeks later.
Correct. That's when we had a chance to ride the horse.